Welcome aboard this beautiful 2002 Hunter Passage 456, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 2002 Hunter Passage 456 is the perfect choice for sailors looking for a spacious, comfortable, and easy-to-handle yacht designed for long-term cruising or a live-aboard lifestyle. With a sleek, modern exterior and roomy, well-equipped interior, this boat offers both performance and comfort in volumes. Whether you're planning on extended offshore passages or coastal adventures, this yacht combines excellent sailing capabilities with generous living space. This Hunter Passage has been meticulously maintained by its current owners and is ready for her next adventure. With in-mast furling and recent upgrades, she is the ideal cruiser for those who want to enjoy hassle-free sailing and elegant accommodations. The exterior design of the Passage 456 reflects its dual-purpose nature, able to handle blue water cruising, but also designed for comfort. The overall look is modern and sleek, with wide side decks and a moderately high freeboard contributing to a dry and stable ride. It's an attractive yacht that balances performance with style. The stern with sugar scoop, large steps, and folding stainless steel ladder make accessing the boat from the dock and water safe and effortlessly. The walk-through stern railings provide easy access to the spacious aft deck. The aft deck is a wonderful place to sit and relax underway or at anchor. It is exceptionally safe and easy to move from the aft deck or cockpit forward with wide side decks and ample handrails which provide excellent safety and accessibility around the boat deck. The high aspect rig with in-mast furling makes sail handling safe and easy. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the windlass, which is mounted safely below a flush deck hatch with easy access to the windlass controls. The center cockpit is large and ideal for entertaining with a comfortable helm station, ample seating, and high coamings for security while underway. A robust and substantial stainless steel frame supports the main sheet traveler and keeps the main sheet up and out of the way, freeing up more space on the aft deck. This vessel has excellent visibility from the cockpit, both seated and from the helm. Mounted in the nav pod behind the helm and easily viewed is the Raymarine chart plotter and the Raymarine wind instruments and autopilot controller. There is easy access to the engine controls and the fusion radio. Additional Raymarine instruments are mounted above the companionway. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to easily access Lumar winches mounted on the cabin top. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with wide, easy companionway steps. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and spacious interior with an inviting finish. The sizable salon is comfortable and accommodating with ample headroom and has been designed to maximize the space and offers excellent storage. The salon has a large table that provides excellent table space for meals for crew and guests. The U-shaped galley is quite spacious for a boat of this size and is well equipped for extended cruises. It has a 3-burner stove with oven, a double stainless steel sink, large refrigerator that has both front opening and top opening doors, a separate top opening freezer, and a microwave oven, along with ample counter space. The navigation station is located to starboard near the companionway. It features a comfortable seat and a good-sized desk with space for electronics, charts, and other cruising gear. The owner's stateroom is aft and features a queen-size berth with easy access from both sides, excellent headroom, storage and hanging lockers, and numerous drawers for personal items. This space includes a well-appointed private head and a separate shower stall with bathtub. Moving forward, there's a spacious guest cabin with a double berth to starboard and a significant amount of storage space in cabinets and stand-up lockers. All the way forward is a head with toilet, sink, and a shower. The Yanmar 76 horsepower diesel is easily accessed on 2 sides and has been meticulously maintained. The boat is also equipped with a Kohler generator. The Hunter Passage 456 is a beautifully designed and well-maintained cruising yacht that offers the perfect balance of comfort, performance, and ease of handling. To book your appointment to view this Hunter Passage, contact Little Yacht Sales.